Ahoy there, mateys! In the maritime world, safety and efficiency are non-negotiable. That's where ISO 9001-2015 Clause 9 comes in. It's our roadmap to running ships like well-oiled machines. Clause 9 is all about making sure we're doing things right, finding areas for improvement, and steering clear of any rough seas. Think of it as the ship's continuous improvement system. It's about looking at what we do, how well we do it, and finding ways to do it even better. Whether you're on a cargo ship hauling goods across the ocean or a luxury cruise liner sailing the Caribbean, Clause 9 helps ensure smooth sailing for everyone. First up, we've got to know what we're dealing with. Clause 9.1 is about keeping our eyes on the prize. That is, constantly monitoring and measuring how we're performing. This means tracking things like safety records, environmental impact, customer feedback, and equipment maintenance. Imagine you're the chief engineer. You need to keep a close eye on the engine's performance, fuel consumption, temperature, and oil pressure. These are all vital signs you need to monitor regularly. Any fluctuations could mean trouble brewing, and early detection is key to preventing major headaches down the line. By keeping tabs on these key performance indicators, we can spot any potential problems before they turn into major disasters. It's like checking your compass regularly to make sure you're still on course. Now that we're keeping an eye on things, it's time for a little self-reflection. Clause 9.2 is all about internal audits, regular checkups to make sure we're actually following our own rules and procedures. These audits are like a captain inspecting the ship's logbook. They tell us what's working, what's not, and where we need to adjust our course. It's about making sure everyone is on the same page and following the same playbook. Think of it like a fire drill on board. We don't wait for an actual fire to see if everyone knows what to do. Regular drills help us identify any gaps in our procedures or training so we can be better prepared for the real deal. Finally, Clause 9.3 is where the captain comes in. The management review is like the captain gathering all the officers to discuss the ship's performance. We take a look at all the data we've collected, the results of our internal audits, and any feedback from our crew or customers. Based on this information, we make decisions about how to improve our operations, allocate resources, and address any risks. It's about steering the ship in the right direction and making sure we're always heading towards safe and efficient waters. Let's take a real-life example. Safety drills. Regular fire drills, abandoned ship drills, and man-overboard drills are honestly crucial for the safety of everyone on board. We monitor how quickly and effectively the crew responds, identify any areas for improvement, and use that information to refine our procedures and training programs. Fuel consumption is another critical aspect of maritime operations, both for environmental and economic reasons. By closely monitoring fuel usage, optimizing routes, and implementing energy-saving technologies, we can reduce our carbon footprint and save money in the process. Regular analysis of fuel records helps us identify areas for improvement, such as hull cleaning schedules, engine maintenance, and even sailing speeds. For those running passenger ships, customer satisfaction is paramount. We collect feedback through surveys, comment cards, and direct interactions with passengers. This feedback helps us identify areas where we can enhance the passenger experience, whether it's the quality of food, the entertainment options, or the cleanliness of the cabins. Remember, a happy passenger is a repeat customer. And in the competitive world of cruise lines, positive word of mouth is invaluable. The beauty of Clause 9 is that it's not a one-time thing. It's a continuous cycle of monitoring, measuring, auditing, reviewing, and improving. By embracing this cycle, we create a culture of excellence on board our ships and in our offices ashore. Just like a ship's compass needs constant adjustment to stay on course, our quality management system requires ongoing attention to ensure we're always sailing in the right direction. In the maritime industry, where the stakes are high and the margin for error is slim, ISO 9001-2015. Clause 9 is our guiding star. It provides a framework for ensuring the safety of our crew, the protection of our environment, and the satisfaction of our customers. By embracing the principles of monitoring, auditing, and reviewing, we can navigate the complexities of the maritime world with confidence. knowing that we're always striving for excellence in everything we do. So let's raise a glass to Clause 9 and the smooth sailing it brings.